We're working with the Cerebra Innovation Centre to develop a process for scanning the heads of children who have brain conditions, and these conditions have affected the growth and development of their skulls.
Imogen we've worked with a few times. She's a beautiful little girl. She's in a wheelchair, she has cerebral palsy, but you wouldn't believe how active she is. But when she's horse riding, her head is very circular shaped instead of sort of rugby ball shaped from a plan view. So horse riding helmets were not able to fit her very well. So what we were able to do with the guys at Attic was to use all their really high-tech scanning equipment and scan her head, and then we were able to make a bespoke helmet which fits her really, really perfectly.
She now can go horse riding and use the helmet, and she's comfortable while she's horse riding, whereas before she would be using a helmet that wasn't a good fit. It would be too tight and she would end up having headaches.
We've now got quite a few other children who also want to do the same thing. So we're able to sort of roll this out across the community now.
One of the key things that Attic has been able to provide Cerebra is the research capacity to explore different methods of scanning and to explore the accuracy of those methods.
Yolanda in Attic has worked out a way of using a mobile phone to take a video of people. That's enabled her to then translate those images into a 3D model of the child's head.
The previous system that they were using was time-consuming, and it meant that families had to come to long distances, they had to travel. So we were trying to develop something that families could use at home.
And also the process itself, it can be quite time-consuming and particularly difficult for children who perhaps may have autism or other conditions.
With a bit of luck on our side, we should be able to help loads of children now without travelling to far-flung places.
Because one of the main focuses of the project was that with this remote scanning service, that we could reach more families in longer distances, different locations, and I think that would be the end goal ultimately.